Through WhatsApp, you can send events. That means, if there's any program, you can share its link. Sometimes, that event might happen through a WhatsApp video call or an audio call. So, if you want to add a WhatsApp call link to that event, you can easily do that. In this video, we'll show you how to add a WhatsApp call link to an event on WhatsApp. For this, open the WhatsApp application.